Hello guys, adding subtitle to your video is more easy. Here you can also check out my simple video. I want to engage more audience all over the global level by implementing subtitle on it through AddSubtitle AI tool. Link in my video description and check out this video till end. After successful coming to the add subtitle, you can also check here is your profile that you can also upgrade. For that you can click on the continue, and here are multiple options. Like here is also how much credit you will be given when you will charge this one. Here you can also go for a different number of plans, and according to that you can also get the number of credit that will be used. And here after coming on the home interface, there are adding subtitle to your video. You can also translate video from one language to another language. You can rewrite that language, and lip sync will also be implemented on it, and you can also make dubbing to on any video. First we need to open this add subtitle. We need to click on it, and there you can also check two options. First one, where you can upload any video that should be less than 500 MB, and you can also go for subtitle instantly. But not only this, there is also the second thing is about direct from YouTube link. I will also show you both. First we need to upload the video that I have in my own uh, device, and here you can also check it is also going to done. And there I have to select what is my language in this video and in which language I want to change. Like here I am going to show you that this should be in some other language, so I am going to selecting random. You can also change to anyone. Here I have selected English to Chinese, and now we have to click on the submit, and it will also take the progress. Their dynamic subtitle to your making video more engaging will be implemented. It take no time. After successful processing, you can check out the studio type, where you can also check subtitle is also being created on the video that we have selected here. Now you can check out here is also our original in English what is language is going to I have already used in the video, and this is the section that is also going to be used as a subtitle. So now if you want to check how it works and how it looks like, you can also go ahead. There you can also check. The next one is about a styling option. If you want to add, like there are different number, and we have to select this yellow one, and then it will also be implement. And here on the video it will also be export. There is also some feature. There is dynamic. You can select a different number of style and check out the subtitle if you want to add, and then you can also adjust it if you think that this should also be customized. Then you can also select here, and after all these data, like here is also our style that is also going to be used here, how it looks. And there you can also check successfully, and in different section, like the video has subtitle now in Chinese, as well as you can also select the other translation. You can also go ahead, and here is the export option. Now you can click on it, and there in 720p in 1080p with TX, if you need this subtitle or lip sync, you can also select here, and then you have to click on the export in the cloud, and it will also go for the progress. Now guys, you can also check out our progress, and our video that has been implemented by AI subtitle is now near to exporting. Now video has been exporting successfully, and now we can also show you how it looks like, and you have already seen too. Now friends, you can check out how it looks, and there is also the subtitle that we are also going to show you. It is working perfectly. If guys you want to check out, there is also bilingual. If you click on it, it's mean both in the English, in the Chinese subtitle will be shown. Like here you can also check. I am going to selecting here any one of them, and I'll show you here how it looks. There you can check out in the video one line for Chinese, one line that we have already added in the video as a voice. Subtitle will be shown. Both can also be used here. If you want to add off, you can also do it in this way. You can also select it, and then you can easily export and download. So this is how we can work on this add subtitle. And second feature that I am going to show you is about translate video. As I have already shown you about add subtitle, first a local file. But if you want to use this YouTube link, you can also come here, and there you can also check out successfully that there is also the Hindi language video. And we are also going to get this link from the YouTube and go to the platform at subtitle, and here we need to paste, and then we need to select what language is already here. Like there is Hindi, and we need into English language for subtitle, and click on the submit option, and it is also taking the progress come to the lab. And here you can also find the same what language you have selected here. You can also check the original language is Hindi, and now this is the language that is also what we have desired on, like English language. You can also change it to here. You can also have a chance translate into bilingual. You can also check confirm both language can also be given here. You can see in the Hindi is original language for this content, and here is English language that we have already choose to. You can select the further style and the styling offer. There is also all these things, and here you can also check CC its mean subtitle. There you can also check the video and sound. If you want to add it, you want to make some other changes, that is also possible here. There is also background setting. If you want to change there, you can also go for a ratio what you want to like what the content you need actually. In this way you can also go for all these setting, and then you have to export and download it and use it. Now, what is the next thing that I am going to show you is about translate video. We have to click on it, and here is also the both two option, local file or YouTube link. So here if you want to see that we are going to uploading our that video we have already used, as you have seen already in the starting of this video. Here is also spoken language that we have used English. Translate into another language. First we have translated into Chinese. Now I am going to using it into Arabic. And their number of speaker, we can also choose, like there should be number of speaker. You can select here. I am going to selecting two, so you can also make a different number of difference too. And after that you can also click on the submit option, and then it will come to the studio where we can easily do all these further operation. So after coming to this section, you can also check here, choose a voice for each speaker. There speaker one I need, like here selecting, and there is also different number of speaker. We can also check first of all its voice, like here is about the mic.
Get ready for an awesome animation explosion.
This is the voice, and here I am going to select some another one, so my video should also be in different. So here,
Mira, si te preguntas sobre el seguro
so there is
obligatorio,
also some Chinese
春
too.
日的阳光洒落在长城古道上，千年的风霜见证着华
So
夏
I am
文
going
明的
to selecting first speaker in it, and second you can also check the other one is to click on continue, and further recognizing the whole our script that will be converted into another one. And here all these thing has been generated, and you can also check how it looks like. So if you want to listen, then you can also check out here.
مرحبا إضافة ترجمة الفيديو أسهل.
This is in Arabic actually, and here you can also check further information about how it looks like. There is also the subtitle if you want to generate subtitle on the video, where you can also translate by voice. Voice will be translate from English to Arabic, in English to another one, or from one language to another. This is depend on you. And here is also some style that you can also select it to, and after that your video will be ready, and you can easily check out how it looks when you are going to move from one place to another in the video ratio. So here you can also check out, and I will also show you too after downloading. And here you can also check basic export or export in the cloud, that will be safe exporting. So now everything is good and done, and here in this way you can also come to start with add subtitle to make your video into translate in from one content to another one. Here is rewrite dubbing. Actually you can also do add voiceover. If you select your rewrite and dub, that is also very simple. Put here the video that I am also going to using it. There is our video, and after go ahead, and there is English language that has been already detected by its own system. So there is also the another option, that is rewrite. It's mean you can also put any data here. Like if you want to write here, hey guys, welcome. Here it will also be added, and it can also be added into this video as a voice too. So rewrite and adding voice will also be given here. In this way you can also mention and what you need you can type here in the video that will be changed. So this is how we will get in a one interface to update it. Here you can see, and there is also subtitle starting. All these options are also the same that I have already given you detail. And here adding the voiceover using AI for cloning natural, that is also very simple. Uploading the video, and here I am going to upload so I can show you what the feature we can easily get. These are also the option there. Once you come, you will understand easily. You can also come here in the voice section where you can also make the tone like allies. There is also broadcaster, there's commenter, celebrity. What you need actually you can easily select here, and after that you can click on the continue, and here you can also make your own voice over clone as well. That is going to help you, and it will also make the script too. Here you can also please enter the script of content, and then we will also use, and here you can also create the subtitle too. That will also make sure your voice is also going to be used here. If guys you want to add your voice, you can click on it, and then there is also different number of speaker. Like on one scenario there is one character, but if you move ahead there is separate character. You can also use add this is the speaker too, and here you can also change the other one, and there will also be available. There are multiple character in one video. If you want to add your own voice, that is also even possible. You can come, and here is your voice, and this is my voice. You can also change the voice. You can also select here, and then you can proceed. Here you can write what the script, and then voice will be generated. So I hope you understand how actually you can easily come on the add subtitle, where you can also go for all these features, make your work more smarter. If you want to invite your friends, you can also copy this link, share to your friends, and enjoy with this epic journey that I have shown you. I'll catch you next week. Till then, take care and goodbye.
مرحبا يا شباب. إضافة ترجمة لفيديوك أسهل بكثير. هنا يمكنك أيضا مشاهدة فيديو البسيط. أريد أن أستقطب جمهورا أكبر على مستوى العالم من خلال إضافة ترجمات باستخدام أداة إضافة ترجمات AI. رابط في وصف الفيديو الخاص بي، وتأكد من مشاهدة هذا الفيديو حتى النهاية.